Hi everyone, I'm RochelleStone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing video and I'm unboxing my brand new, it's heavy, woo, oh lord, Asus Zenbook Pro Duo. And if you can tell I'm new to this YouTube thing, I keep looking in the viewfinder to make sure I look okay? But anyway, we're gonna unbox this and I'm excited because I've been streaming off of my school laptop, and that school laptop was not built to last very long and definitely not built to last for streaming. So I'm really excited about this computer, and I'm waiting to see how many doors it's gonna open. I know that sounds kind of, you know, like I reached, like, how is a computer going to open doors for you? We're gonna find out because I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Okay. Alright, let's get into this. Alrighty. Okay, so this is like one of the content creator laptops from Asus, okay? I'm excited. Okay, so first thing out of the box, we got a backpack. Ooh. We're gonna be rocking around stylish. Ooh, hello. Okay. What we got? Okay, we have a stand. It comes with this. It comes with a stand. We're gonna figure out how to use it. Okay, we're gonna figure out how to use it. Hello, packaging. Hello, packaging. How are you? We're gonna see what else is. I want to get everything out of the box first. Okay, we're gonna lay it down. Okay, I'm gonna lay it down. Oh, kinda sort of lay it down. Okay. Ooh, we're pulling it out. We're pulling it out. Is there anything else in here? Guys. Okay. All right. There's nothing else in the box. Throw that to the side. Okay, now we have the computer out. I'm gonna put the box back, actually. Let me put the box back so we can lift up the computer. I wanna give you on camera. Alright. Okay. Let's take it out, dude. Plastic. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll turn it around this way. I need my scissors again. I don't want to scratch up this beautiful packaging, guys. This packaging is so pretty. This is elite packaging. I don't wanna mess it up, but I'm gonna have to use the scissors because I ain't got no nails. Ooh. Okay. A little rip, hold up. A little confused and loose. Okay. I was about to say, what do I do with the box? It's sitting on it. It's sitting on top of the box. Oh no. Okay. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna open this too, so we know what this is too. I feel like I want to save the computer for last. The best for last. The best for last. Okay. Oh, it's oh, okay. Magnetic. Okay. All right, we have the charger. Hold on. Charger. This is a big power block. So this is a power block, and then it's got a little lift thingy here. And we have the rest of the adapter. There we go. Anything else? Okay. I think that's it. Open it. Let's see what it's looking like. Ooh, yes, Lord. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the box now, guys. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Rise. Ooh, it's weighty. Okay, it's weighty. I'm gonna move the box out the way just for a moment so I can take the plastic off the computer. All right, now let's take it out the packaging. Okay, we're gonna peel you off. Yes, load. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the computer. It's so pretty. Okay, I haven't even opened it, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna check the box again. Make sure nothing else is in the... I don't want to put it on top of the computer. Okay, I'm gonna move the computer out the way for a moment. Before I cut on the computer and all of that good jazz, we have a little flappy flap here. Okay. Flappy flap? What is wrong with me? Oh, it's an envelope. Okay. It's got your guide, your warranty, all of that. Pow. Okay. Nobody reads instructions these days. We're gonna move those to the side. And we have the stylus. Alright. Woohoo! Okay. It's so sleek feeling. I like it. I'll take this little piece off. Y'all, I don't have nails, please. Okay. We'll do it that way. That works. Is there anything else in here that I need to know about? Ooh, I don't want to show the box. It's some really nice packaging. Oh, it's something else too, bro. I can't get it out. This is like the palm rest. Okay, that's the palm rest. I think that's everything. I think I've gotten all the little secret compartments in the book, right? In the box. I think I got it. This is such a nice box. All right, so back to the computer. Now let's open this baby. Hold on. All right, we're opening it. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, so I keep pushing a button right. Okay. I like it. All right, it's cutting on. It's cutting on. All I have to say is it's giving what it's supposed to give. Why am I talking like this? I'm gonna talk like this, y'all. Not for real. But it's giving what it's supposed to give, definitely. I'm finna get into it. We finna get into it. Okay, so this is a computer right now. Again, like I said, I'm loving the design, everything. I have to get batteries for this. I did not know I was gonna need batteries for this. It takes quadruple A batteries. I got things downloading and stuff like that, so ignore that. But it takes quadruple A batteries. Aha. So now I have the palm rest on, or the wrist rest, whatever you want to call it. But now that's on. It doesn't stick on or anything. It just, or I could be doing it wrong, but I didn't stick it on or anything like that. Just slide it right here, and you know, do what you do. Guys, well, I really appreciate you all for watching my very first YouTube video. I'm really excited um, to continue this YouTube journey, this content creation journey. More videos to come. Right now, I plan on uploading every Monday and Friday. Since I am new to this schedule, I it may be a little wishy-washy, but that's neither here nor there. I'll come in and I'll serve the content just like I'm supposed to do. But thank you all for supporting. I really appreciate every last person that watched this video, skimmed through the video, searched for the video, anything. And I really appreciate everyone that goes from my Twitch to here and from here to my Twitch. You know, balance. But thank you all so much. I love you. And I'm gonna hop into this computer, man. I'm excited. Bye.